Never bloody again. Alright. Check it. Get the door. Alright. See you guys. Let's go. A couple more flights. And time to go. See you guys.
Takeoff flaps. Timer cleared. Gear up. Flaps up. Time remaining 3 minutes. Time remaining 2 minutes.
I never fly like this, but when you're trying to use your battery up, full throttle will do it. But I'm not a full throttle jockey. I like to vary the throttle.
Time remaining 1 minute.
Those clouds right there. Cool mammotus clouds. Never see that in California.
Time remaining 50 seconds.
I heard a little bit over a minute, so blast around full throttle for another minute. This is the 6S30C 4000 China Hobbyline pack that I like the most in this plane because it flies lighter, still has plenty of punch, but just flies better. I can get the tail to slide without it snapping out. So let's do that right now so you can see. So I pull here, pull full up elevator, and it just slides and turns. It doesn't snap or sag or
9,
do anything weird. It just turns.
7, 6,
So
5, 4.
gear pass.
Gear down. 2, 1. Time expired.
All the gear are down. Wind is good. Gonna do a full flap landing because the wind is right down the runway. This is at the limit of me seeing it. I know the camera doesn't show that, but it's near dark here. Wasn't the best landing, but I'm having a hard time seeing it, so I have to work. All of you that don't like the high expo on the nose, my expo is at 90% on this plane, and if it wouldn't have been, I would have tipped it. So look, there's still plenty of resolution. It's just once you get to the end, that's when it turns the most. But look, it still has plenty of... The reason why I do this is because when you're going down that center line, any adjustments you make is minor. But when you try to do this with no expo, you're going to be all over the place like that. But look. So, see, it's easy. Makes it a lot easier to... You still have resolution, it's just not... If you go full throw, it still works. So, all of you doubters about high expo works great on the rudder. Really good. And that's it for this plane for the day. On to the FMS Hawk, which has lights, and then my final, I don't want to say that, but the F-15 will be next after the Hawk. That's it.